They say wisdom comes with age, but no-one's habits can quietly turn into risks. You've made it this far with grace, with strength, with resilience. But now, more than ever, your body and mind deserve peace, safety, and gentle care. And sometimes, that means knowing when to stop. Let's begin with something that seems harmless: ignoring small health symptoms. You tell yourself it's just a headache, just some stiffness, just a little tiredness. But over 70, your body speaks in whispers before it screams. That lingering cough, the unexplained bruise, the dizziness when you stand, these are not things to shrug off. Listening early is the new strength. Then, there's the quiet danger of isolation. You get used to silence. You even enjoy it sometimes. But days without conversation slowly wear on the soul. Social connection isn't a luxury, it's medicine. And choosing to stay in your shell too long might feel safe, but it quietly dims the light inside. So stop thinking you don't need people. Because you do. We all do. Next, stop putting everyone else's needs above your own. You've given so much to your children, your community, your career. But now, your time is sacred. It's not selfish to say no. It's not selfish to rest, to laugh, to do nothing at all. This chapter is yours. You've earned it. And stop pretending that falls only happen to other people. A loose rug, a slippery floor, a forgotten step. It takes 1 second. You might feel steady, strong, but your balance isn't what it used to be. So let go of pride. Use that cane, install that rail. Choose prevention, not recovery. Stop hoarding pain. Emotional pain, memories of regret, things you wish you'd said or never said at all. Let it go. You are not your past. You are what you choose today. Holding on doesn't make you stronger. Releasing does. And finally, stop telling yourself it's too late. Too late to travel, too late to learn, too late to start over. No clock decides your purpose. You do. As long as you're breathing, dreaming, waking up with sunlight on your face, it's not too late. This isn't about fear, it's about freedom. When you stop these 6 things, you don't become less, you become more aware, more at peace, more alive. So take this as a quiet invitation to pause, reflect, and move forward with a little more grace.